The James Webb Space Telescope has arrived safely at Pariacabo harbour in French Guiana. ESA, in close collaboration with NASA, will now prepare this once-in-a-generation mission for its launch on Ariane 5 from Europe's Spaceport this December. Few space science missions have been as eagerly anticipated as the James Webb Space Telescope. As the next great space science observatory following Hubble, Webb is designed to resolve unanswered questions about the universe and see farther into our origins, from the formation of stars and planets to the birth of the first galaxies in the early universe. Every launch requires meticulous planning and preparation. For Webb, this process began about 15 years ago. Its arrival at Pariacabo harbour is a major milestone in the Ariane 5 launch campaign. Webb arrived from California on board the Minnesota Colibri, which sailed the Panama Canal to French Guiana. The shallow Kourou River was specially dredged to ensure a clear passage, and the vessel followed high tide to safely reach port. Though the telescope weighs only 6 tons, it is more than 10.5 meter high and almost 4.5 meter wide when folded. It was shipped in its folded position in a 30-meter-long container, which, with auxiliary equipment, weighs more than 70 tons. This is such an exceptional mission that a heavy articulated vehicle was brought on board Minnesota Colibri to carefully transport Webb to the spaceport. The spaceport's preparation facilities are ready for Webb's arrival. As extra protection from contamination, the clean rooms are fitted with additional walls of air filters, and a dedicated curtain will shroud Webb after it is mounted on the rocket. This launch campaign involves more than 100 specialists. Teams will work separately to prepare the telescope and the launch vehicle until they become one combined team to join the telescope with its rocket for a momentous lift-off. In parallel to Webb preparations, Ariane 5 rocket parts from Europe will come together in the Launch Vehicle Integration Building. Europe's powerful and highly reliable heavy-lift workhorse has an excellent track record, spanning more than 100 launches in 3 decades. Ariane 5's ample fairing, 5.4-meter diameter and 17-meter high, provides enough space for Webb's folded spacecraft components, sunshield and mirrors. A few customized features make Ariane 5 a perfect fit for Webb. These include the adaptation of venting ports at the base of the fairing, which will be forcefully open during the flight. The fairing, the rocket's nose cone, will protect Webb from the acoustics at liftoff and during its journey through Earth's atmosphere. Its venting ports will enable extremely smooth depressurization of the fairing, from ground pressure to vacuum during the flight. Then, to avoid overheating of any elements of Webb, Ariane 5 will perform a specially developed rolling maneuver to ensure that all parts of the satellite will be equally exposed to the sun. An extra battery will provide power for a boost to the upper stage after release of the telescope, safely distancing it from Webb. That's it for now. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the next update. Thank you for watching.